Hey guys, I'm back with a 15-minute low impact, no equipment and no jumping home workout designed to build strength and get that heart rate up, and we're starting right now.
I've been here before? Is it just me or is it something more? You'll never believe me when I tell you this. Could it be pain or pleasure? That's the risk. Are you ready? Like I'm ready for this. Breathing heavy, sure and steady. Know this. When I smell your cologne, feel a spell coming on, and I'm ready for this. I'm ready for this. Lick the sweat off your neck, rather live than regret. And I'm so good with it, so good with it. It's a party for two. My cologne sticks on you, and I'm ready for this. I'm ready for this. It's a party for two. My cologne sticks on you, and I'm so good with it. I'm so good with it. I could be wrong, but is this deja vu? Whenever I pick up on the scent of you, it's like a movie flash before my eyes. Something about you's got me hypnotized. Are you ready? Like I'm ready for this. Someone get me, 'cause it's happening again. When I smell your cologne, feel a spell coming on, and I'm ready for this. I'm ready for this. Lick the sweat off your neck, rather live than regret. And I'm so good with it, so good with it. It's a party for two. My cologne sticks on you, and I'm ready for this. I'm ready for this. It's a party for two. My cologne sticks on you, and I'm so good with it. I'm so good with it. Hugo Boss, Dior, Calvin Klein, me or more. I don't care, I want more. I don't care, I want more. You and me on the floor. We got things to explore. Give me more, I want more. Give me more, I want more. When I smell your cologne, feel a smell coming on, and I'm ready for this. I'm ready for this. Lick the sweat off your neck, rather live than regret. And I'm so good with it. I'm so good with it. It's a party for two. My cologne sticks on you, and I'm ready for this. I'm ready for this. It's a party for two. My cologne sticks on you, and I'm so good with it. I'm so good with it. You and me on the floor. Give me more, I want more. Red lips, tell it like it is. Money on your wrist, bogging to the beat. Maybe you're a supersonic girl, you're looking so iconic, yeah. So iconic, yeah. Oh, she's got brains, she's got looks. She's on fire, yeah, she works. She's laying on the hook. She's got it all, she's got it all. Rise, we can fight all night. Hold your heads up high. Serving you bitches since 1993. Serving you bitches since Freddie Mercury. Serving and serving and serving it. Serving and serving and serving it. Serving and serving and serving and serving and serving and serving and serving. Time's up, she's ready for her close-up. She's so fine, shining like a diamond. Maybe you're a supersonic girl, you're looking so iconic, yeah. So iconic, yeah. Oh, she's got brains, she's got looks. She's on fire, yeah, she works. She's laying on the hook. I need 3. Serving you bitches since Freddie Mercury. Serving and serving and serving it. Serving and serving and serving it. Serving and serving and serving and serving and serving and serving and serving. Fashion with front row, Fendi and Prada, hardly Madonna, rich and you know, got all the cash, Louis on my back, wish you could have that, gotta work hard, yeah. Spend that, custom made this square, then you go, show it up, yeah. Got big bags, gold tags, all facts, yeah. Then you go, show it up, yeah. You might have all the money in life, but there are things that you can buy. So put your hands around me and around me, cause I'm pricey. Spend the money, you're so lucky, you're so lucky. You're so lucky, why you sell? I'm so fancy, why you sell? You can have me, you're so lucky, yeah. Why you sell? Walking in Yeezy, woke up in Paris, dining in Gucci, with Mrs. Versace. Spend that, custom made this square, then you go, show it up, yeah. Got big bags, gold tags, all facts, yeah. Then you go, show it up, yeah. You might have all the money in life, but there are things that you can buy. So put your hands around me and around me, cause I'm pricey. Spend the money, you're so lucky, you're so lucky, why you sell? I'm so fancy, why you sell? You can have me, you're so lucky, yeah. Why you sell? You might have all the money in life, but there are things that you can buy. So put your hands around me and around me, cause I'm pricey. Spend the money, you're so lucky, why you sell? I'm so fancy, why you sell? You can have me, you're so lucky, yeah. Why you sell?
I know that I can't trust my feelings, at least not when it comes to you. Your pretty lies, yeah, I believe them. I like them better than the truth. Ooh, the way you move is prodigal. Ooh, you pull me in, so let me go. Ooh, I should know, I should go. Ooh.
And that is it for today's workout. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up and be sure to subscribe for weekly home workouts. All right, thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next one.